Very well. I mean, lawyer Serbeh, so that means share one. So now issues in the mining sector and I pay a fresh. Yeah, there is a huge banner headline about the issue of national interest on the front page of Graphic. So Goldfieds Company Limited, Akwako SMP, Omo Ewo. I mean, my background. Omo 2 concessions in the country. Concessions in the no takwa and takwa aboso enti omo friend on the aboso concession. Now aboso concession no was signed to them or leased to them for 30 years. 30 years, say say on the 18th in just about 3 days to come. And that's our concession no ebewu, but regulations no say o concession no be 3 to 4 months. So we person renewal as I say reapplication to the Minerals Commission. Now after you ask for renewal, a buy wo ho kwan say obey accept so obey renew and I say on renew. And no it's for government to decide. Now we are getting the indication say upon application government has decided say one more and renew. I don't know what confirm say bebre na no e dia ba. Ye be share dia free ho na afeye the other issues aka tariffs adjustment eba in water and then electricity and no ebeba and then concerns about the good board indicated say government will try it best. Say foreigners were within the small scale mining sector no. You be your money na dia free no and so e wo why you be the home komo water guards ya lanche e water crade you deploy one more air kwahwa bonsu ne ho ban ni nyina water crade within that weekend ni nyina do e ho ma shasi all over Serbeh so na mintie council ma mintie osimedo yamfa da man Goldfieds there no en shasi
me da se bebre
Kessben
diamond lease in sense me ese hwe na ye kan yie na meka se baby a free nyina ni see ye nyina yemfa adesuade emfiri de ACA yi mu in law ade a wodo nsa ebe hyase no eno ho adwuma na wo ye me gidi say ena sanso na tie there is a lease document between the government of Ghana or let's say the Minerals Commission and the Goldfieds Company Limited regarding the Damai your friend saying concession honum. Now the entire make say addition ma nyina say you can lease enya mining company nkwan ma mo lease ye fia ye titi mu ye nsase ya to obi timi ka say mato asase the land was sold to me mato ya na adwene say ye ne dia forever and ever. But mostly leases, even if it's a 99 or 1,000 year lease, a day is coming a beso. And it's sign such lease agreements. You will be near friend extension clauses, which you can put in. It's not some of these things when you are doing as an individual, especially because these people, I know, said they got lawyers involved before signing. As an individual, so I got to assess and get a lawyer involved. Non-check terms and conditions are. What documents now was what to assassinate because yes, and penny say a do a beba. And Tibra almost signs a lease agreement or down by may you sure say for 30 years. And Goldfieds knew say we are taking over the place for the next 30 years. So say yeah, kind of say 30 years then so and that's a bias or come. Now I call Jeff from Monsema, that is a different ball game. But here is the case, what na? I'm out 30 years no aso. There are so many implications, Mijidi, because there are workers there, as our banks were Genesis at the all manner of issues. But Mekanamasa can be say a church of my yenchama you cool. And until any bibi biara. And because a government in power and a yintino, say a ba near to pupu. Sorry for it's too early. Now say about to Anya Ediguso there be yentie mu ye ne nhwe ne ye say de aban de ba no ebe boy da chi ana na mum say moy da chi de ane aka ho bi but for the little I ready so far eye me de yen kwa obisa edem asem bi Okacha will say, Minya briefing, enunti, menkasa wo ho. Me bona baso bebre. Enya bibia na woni mo hwea. Ya fro so ye enti, your friend saying spokesperson, enti no static na wo kasa. That is said the yera Felix Ofutuko achi akwa ye bia eyi se my de gay.
Yes, kasa.
Honorable so. The yes e bo abaso ne be bo abaso. So say ade we, minya ho briefing, enti menye den, menkasa. No otene baby. O so ochine nyame ya adom a obedun kra obepe nya no. Na mom say Lease no 30 years. Now what I am praying for is a government mra. No me kire ye de ntia. All this Lease no oji from say ma de no de kwa akoye. If it is to benefit Ghana as a whole there, why shouldn't we support the government? Na mom say bibi hyase there eno so de beba beka. Nemum se bibia nhyase ne efilisa the government ne ye clean. He is trying to say NDC aban na tonto say Ghana can na ke gold nyina ye na yedi so. But within the 80s no mo hyase a ye ma foreigners ebe rewre mo magye ade afri ensem. It is a feel say baby ye due kuta capacity ne betimi asaje ade back there. Then we work on it. Not necessarily say a NDC government and ye nti no chinchina yenka seje. Na so mo gi na si ho na be your mind there. Na say Anglo Gold form say be near 10%, 15%. Near Daniel ni na fit minya 30, 40% MYN. 2028 aye ba ben mu ne ba yen so yen to aso ana. It is an ebu man. It is government ne stance na ebeye. No church nsem ni mu ye na say eto asumu dia. Ye be support them. There is something that we call surrender and renewal as a point of education. Oche wasase so. Ye the asase na man 50 years. What na so twenya ma akoka 1 year afa na wakọ ohina anim say nana ana say the other man say me ba be renew me lease sabra no wasi wodan bi asiso o the lease kire ne say sebre ne so a na say wonni extension clause bi a hyemu dia everything reverts back to the original owner. Eti wo 30 years no investment bia na Anglo Gold ye no na as I say Goldfield Goldfields na say what 30-year plan ehiem say onim say at the end of 30 years no ese ma recoup me investment na na meja o minor there dey e mo no de omode ye adwuma it is a wo so wo wasase
now per omo annual report indications yes as of 2023 omo anya adwuma bia in terms of gold reserves we are told say reserves akoform, so there ought to be an exploration omo betimi explore to see baby a channels ekeka kwa umbetimi enya more gold e free ho enti from 2023 eba besi ene ya ye kase omon sheda into gold bia ewo concession eso because there is a reduction in terms of the quantum omo enya. Now people are casting insinuations as well because aboso concession ne wo ho even though concession ne ye Goldfields there, but almost subcontracted the working, the mining work itself, Ediama engineers and planners, which belongs to Ibrahim Mahama. Now people are beginning to ask questions. Say, is it the case? Say, Ibrahim Aye Juma for and on behalf of Goldfields Inti, Ninia Bay President Inti, Epesiaje Edemanana. I mean, all these things are issues, Efrasia Eba up because the regulation requires that 3 to 4 months upon expiration, as I say, we make an application. As much as I buy what to me, so because will be renew and I won't renew. No, that is for the government to decide.
Me that's it. I don't think that I may pay better and further particulars about the reason why the government has decided say on farm mubium. Na said ye titi na wo kan say ya na mehwe ni ye because almost always asem bia wo beka bia no sa pepepe ne bem say enyina so ne nyina ne say president aba ban mu na ne nua ye interested enti fa kwan bia so agye ne de amani nua de a
menka say de nua ye interested de nua no yes a contractor to Goldfield
and I make us say also so the session say if say the interest of abino and as a president in enti and ye every almost 7 year rather unfortunate. And I mean, this said certainly, Kutahudie bebre bekoso ansa na sa 4 months be ba bidru. It is a abino ma any assurances. Now for which reason almost putting in much investment into the project there. now it becomes very much unfair for them to be treated this way. Na mum say bibi ahye say ye Jeffrey obi nsem amna kwa kodi obi ho na emfa benefit na mre Ghanaians na in general there and ye na ese ehwe ni bio. I can't speak much on this because lease document no omon kan mu nsem e ma ye nteye. Na mum say ehwe lease ni mu na 30 years fine no we 30 years na aban ne se me dase se na ya aban dia no de ma o se me dase me gima dia me gidi se eni wo se e generate echiwaso bebrebe bia na emom ye gye no ye hunu ne kwan a ye de efa so na ma obia tirim nye ne fan ma ye nya bibia ebebo investors away from the nation so rightfully agreement I sign no extension clause bibia in place there. I don't see why I say we na investor bi ejane na emom as I say ono hihya ne nyoma yie say me kwaji 50 years minim say 50 years na me ko ntimi nya menwuma eyie na enkonkosi
ba membra honorable